Hello friends, this is Srishel. I would like to discuss today with you about the fiber optics. So, in this video, I would like to discuss with you the 3 points related about the fiber optics. First one is who invented the fiber optics. Second, shape, size of the fabric optics. Third one is how the fiber optic cable works. So now the first point, that is who invented the fiber optics. In 1952, Indian American physicist Narendra Singh Kapania invented the first fiber optic cable. After that, the many researchers goes on this fiber optic cable. Okay. Now the second point, shape of the fiber optic. So the shape of the fiber optic is like a cable. It is a very thin, smaller than the hair. Its diameter is 125 micrometer, that is 0.125 millimeter. The first layer of the fiber optic cable is a plastic coating. After that, cladding. After that, core. So this is a layer of the fiber optic cables. Now, how the fiber optic cable works? Suppose consider we would like, suppose consider we transfer the data, voice and image, then this one transfer from these data from one place to another place, this fiber optic cable works. Suppose how it works. So suppose consider a fiber optic cable. Okay, the light passing through this fiber optic cable through the internal reflection, total internal reflection. This is the working of the fiber optic cable. So actually the total internal reflection is done in the cable, then and then only the data transfer from one place to the another place. So actually the shape of the size of the fiber optic cable is very thin. So finally in this video discuss about the fiber optics. Who invented the fiber optics? Its name is Indian American scientist physicist Narendra Singh Kapania. Its shape, first layer is plastic coating, second layer cladding, third layer core. Its size is 1.25, total fiber optic cable size 1.25 micrometer, and core diameter is 10 micrometer. The data, if you want to transfer the data from one place to the another place through the light in such a way that total internal reflection. Okay, thank you very much.